Hey YouTubers, Jay Scrapper here. Nowadays we have to cover our freedom. In other words, keep from doing something that will send us to jail or give us a ticket. So today I'm going to explain some laws about dumpster diving. Yes, there are laws that will prevent you from getting someone's trash. So here we go. Law number 1. Identity theft is a federal crime. I know this is common sense, but there have been many cases in the past of people who would go into other people's trash just to find their valid information so they can get stuff for free. This is a crime that will put you in jail, so don't do it. I highly discourage this. If you find something you want and it's holding papers, be sure to dump those papers back into the person's garbage, just in case an identity thief has already stolen from that garbage. You would not want to be caught with those papers in your possession or garbage because of some idiot. Just so you are aware of what identity thieves take from the trash, here is a list. Driver's license information, social security card information, date of birth, handwritten signatures, medical information, bank statements, credit card, and bank account numbers. So like I said before, just dump any papers that might be in something. For example, I've dumped papers back into a trash that were in a backpack. I didn't even bother looking at the papers because that would have raised suspicion. Now, if you find books, magazines, or any other reading material, go ahead. Just make sure there's no important papers in them. Law number 2. It is illegal to break past a locked, fenced-in area or go into an area that has a no trespassing sign. If you break the lock, you can get charged for property damage along with trespassing. If it's daytime and you see something you really want from the trash, look to see if you can find the person who owns the property and ask them for it. Don't be afraid to ask. The worst thing they can do is say no and tell you to leave. Law number 3. Do not litter. This one is pretty much common sense, but as long as you clean up after dumpster diving, you're okay. Littering can get you a pretty good fine. Don't worry if a cop shows up. Just explain what you're doing and that you will clean up the mess when you're done. Be sure to have your ID in case they ask for it. Law number 4. Do not go inside of a dumpster. There have been many cases where people got arrested for being inside of a dumpster. Enough said. Law number 5. Now this one is not under the dumpster diving laws, but it is really important to know. You cannot get someone's trash if they have a restraining order on you. So if you see something by their trash that you want, send a friend to get it for you. I know trash becomes public domain once it's out at the curb, but why deal with the headache? Now here's a tip to help avoid confrontations with the law. I know the law might end up stopping and asking what you're doing when dumpster diving, but one way to cut down on this is by doing it during the daytime. I have had more confrontations with the law during the nighttime than during the day. Now, if I see something out by the road at night, I will stop and pick it up, but I will not drive around at night anymore around town looking at everyone's trash. Nighttime makes you look very suspicious and will cause cops to stop and question your actions. During the daytime, they will most likely just drive by because they can actually see what you're doing. Well, I hope this helps you understand the laws of dumpster diving. Be sure to follow them so you don't get smashed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.